Welcome to First Time Homebuyer Programs and Partners by FirstHomeAdvisor.com. My name is John Gale and I'm the founder of FirstHomeAdvisor.com. With this slideshow, we want to introduce you to the best programs, partners, and resources that are available to help first-time homebuyers so they can take charge of buying a home of their own. This slideshow will provide you information about programs that can lower your monthly house payments. Special programs like tax credit programs and below market interest rate loan programs from your state. We also want to make sure that you learn about your rights as a first-time homebuyer. Finally, and our main objective is to make sure that you don't miss out on the very best programs. During this slideshow, we'll introduce you to homebuyer education courses, homebuyer counseling services, down payment assistance programs, home loan programs, federal tax credit programs, tips on forming your home buying team, introducing you as well to your homebuyer rights and responsibilities, as well as next steps. What is homebuyer education? Homebuyer education is free or low-cost classes that teach you about the home buying process, programs, and partners. Homebuyer education providers are typically nonprofit organizations that have the sole goal of introducing you to information so that you can make informed decisions. They should be coming from an unbiased perspective. Their goal isn't to put you in certain products or programs, but rather to give the information you need to make smart choices. These are also a great place to learn about your rights and responsibilities as a homebuyer before you buy a home. How do you get homebuyer education? Your local HUD-approved housing counseling agency is a great source for homebuyer education. You can learn more about accessing HUD-approved housing counseling agencies on our website, FirstHomeAdvisor.com, under the Get Ready tab. You can also take homebuyer education online through our website. What is homebuyer counseling? It is one-on-one counseling to help you prepare to buy a home of your own. With the help of a professional homebuyer counselor, you'll create an individual action plan, which is essentially the roadmap that helps you get to a home of your own. These homebuyer counselors provide unbiased advice and guidance. They are coming from a neutral perspective so that their main goal is to give you the information you need to make informed decisions. They can help you address any barriers that stand between you and your first home, such as credit repair or saving for a down payment. Like a good coach, they are a great motivator to help you keep working towards your goal. Homebuyer counselors are also excellent resources for learning about local programs in your area. How do you access a good homebuyer counselor? You contact your local HUD-approved housing counseling agency. You can learn more about HUD-approved housing counseling agencies on our website, FirstHomeAdvisor.com. Down payment assistance programs. These are programs that help you come up with the cash you need to close your first home, such as down payment and closing cost assistance. These funds help you increase your purchasing power by reducing the amount of funds that you have to borrow and pay interest on. They also help you speed up the home buying process so that you don't have to spend as much time saving up for a down payment. To qualify for these programs, you must meet the program rules. Typically, you'll need to take homebuyer education, you'll need to meet the income limits, you need to be a first-time homebuyer, and also you need to agree to occupy the homes as your primary residence. To access one of these programs, contact your local or state housing finance agency. You can also learn more on our website at FirstHomeAdvisor.com. Home loan programs offer the financing that you need to purchase your first home. There's many different home loan programs, and you'll need to do a lot of research to find the right program for you. There's programs that offer low or no down payment options. There's also programs that can be partnered with a below market rate from your state housing finance agencies. Special programs exist for rural home buyers, veterans, Native Americans, and low to moderate income home buyers. To learn more about home loan programs, visit our website, FirstHomeAdvisor.com, and click on the Home Loan tab. First-time homebuyer tax credits. Many people think the first-time homebuyer federal tax credit program is gone because the IRS discontinued their $8,000 tax credit program, and that is true. But there are other federal first-time homebuyer tax credit programs available from some states, cities, and counties. This program is referred to as the Mortgage Credit Certificate Program. A mortgage credit certificate program can lower your federal tax payments and liability, which will then increase how much house you can afford and make it easier to qualify for a loan. To learn more about these programs, contact your local or state housing finance agency or click on our website, firsthomeadvisor.com, and click on the Your State tab. Forming your home buying team. On our website, you can learn more about selecting real estate professionals that best meet your needs. We'll help you learn and understand the role of the real estate agent, home inspector, loan officer, closing agents, and insurance agents. We want to help you make sure that you understand the role of each of these professionals, as well as provide some tips in selecting these professionals to be on your team. Your homebuyer education course will cover the various roles of professionals, as well as our website under the Home Team tab. Understanding your rights as a first-time homebuyer is critical. We want to make sure that you know what your rights are, so you know that if they're violated, that you have some remedies. Our website and the homebuyer education course will introduce you to your rights and responsibilities as a homebuyer. Now that you've learned more about the programs and partners that are available to help first-time homebuyers, it's time to think about your next steps. First of all, you need to complete a homebuyer education course. These courses are available from your local HUD-approved housing counseling agency or online. Under our Get Ready tab, you can learn more. If needed, you may then want to access homebuyer counseling services from the same organization. Homebuyer counselors can help you become mortgage ready so that you know and are ready to buy a home of your own. They can also help you research home loan, down payment assistance, tax credits, and other programs that are available in your local area. Our website is also a great resource. Now it's time to form your home buying team by selecting a real estate agent, a lender, a home inspector, a title and escrow officer. Once you've done that, you're ready to apply for a home loan and get pre-approved. You need to make sure you know how much home you can afford to buy before you buy it. With the help of a real estate agent, you can then begin shopping for a home and work towards getting an accepted offer from the seller. Once you have the accepted offer, then you get a home inspection. You're working towards closing your loan. This can all happen in 30 or 45 days, and before you know it, you're closing your loan, you're getting the keys, and you're moving in. Thank you for watching this slideshow. We hope that it has helped you learn about the best programs and partners and resources on your way to your first home. Our website, firsthomeadvisor.com, has additional information. You can also join us on Facebook or follow us on Twitter. We hope that your journey to homeownership is made easier with the help of firsthomeadvisor.com.